Hey guys, good morning. Look at our boys. Man, Bono laptop they are working.
What to do? No internet. Stupid place. No, it's a beautiful place, but no internet.
Hotspot.
That's what I'm doing now. I'm trying to get Wi-Fi there.
Bahan nearby,
Camera కింద పెట్టి చెప్తా.
Just planning to visit a nearby fort called Bakal Fort. A lot of people actually suggested us to visit there. 10 minutes, 5.5 kilometers. So hopefully it's good. Coolant kam ho gaya, but that's okay. Not bad enough. Olive Home, nice. Oh, nice temple. Bakal seems to. Oh, that's actually quite nice here. Palakunu Kazakam Sri Bhagavati Kshetram. Nice. Looks interesting. But one thing I noticed here, Kerala mein a lot of cars are actually modified, and this Alto is actually modified decently well with the black dot lights. Lovely weather today. If this weather was there yesterday, we would have enjoyed the ride much more. I think ride wise we would have enjoyed the location much more. Just too hot and a lot of traffic like this. I think for short stretches this is good, this highway. Anything beyond 100, this state highway 66, which goes by the way from Kanyakumari till Mumbai. Yes, if you keep on going on this highway you will reach Mumbai. Probably will take you one day, but still quite good. I hope they make it a 4-lane someday. Would be amazing. A lot of temples. Oh yes, this is the location I wanted to see yesterday I couldn't see. Sweet man. Hope you enjoyed that nice footage from the beach yesterday, and I posted some already on Instagram. So if you are not following me on Instagram, this is the ID. I put some stuff early on Instagram, so watch the space for quicker updates. YouTube videos I upload 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I try to stick to that schedule. People are saying why I'm not uploading daily. It's very tough guys, and I actually want to enjoy the ride too. I don't want to upload focus everything on uploading every day. I just don't want to ride, come to the hotel, edit, next day ride again and edit. I want to enjoy the location too sometimes, so we'll try to spend some time actually shooting some nice stuff. Decently big fort here actually. Doesn't look that big from outside, but inside it's pretty big. Oh, lovely view from here, especially there. Unfortunately drones are not allowed, otherwise we would have gotten an amazing view. Enjoyed the location?
Somewhat okay.
Photos వచ్చినాయా?
Okay.
నీ ఫొటోస్ కంటెంట్ అడుగుతున్నారు చాలా మంది. ఎక్కడ పెడుతున్నావు
ఫొటోస్? ఎక్కడ పెడుతున్నా? ఇన్స్టాలో పెడుతున్నా.
ఇన్స్టా వాచెస్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ హ్యాండిల్. బాగా దిగా ఫోటోలు.
ఇంకా సాటిస్ఫై లేడు, ఇంకా దిగాలని ఉంది.
Back to the room? Yes, back to the room. What's the agenda after this? Exploring hotel?
Khana, Pina, Sona.
After that?
Gym.
After that?
Exploring the hotel.
Oh, Alfraz Mahal. Arre. Oh, so behind the resort ikkada daaka vastadi. Secret door opens a sale. High tea. ఇక్కడ ఫ్రీ. అరే క్యూట్ బాయ్. ఆల్రెడీ 12,000 కట్టా, గుర్తులేదు. దీస్ ఆర్ బ్యాక్ వాటర్స్. ఏ మన ఛాయ్ అడ్డా. బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్లో వేరే మ్యూజిక్ పెట్టాం.
అది మన అందరు సరిపోద్ది అంటావు కిషోర్?
మన ఇద్దరికి అన్నావు కదరా.
మన ముగ్గురు
ఇంకో ప్లేట్ తీసుకో.
బ్యాక్ వాటర్స్, టీ, కాఫీ.
వెరీ గుడ్ మ్యాన్.
నిజం చెప్పరా, నిజం చెప్పరా. వాడు ద బెస్ట్ కాఫీ ఇన్ ద ట్రిప్ అన్నాడు రా.
అంటే నాకు అది చెప్పొచ్చు మళ్ళీ
బెస్ట్
బెస్ట్ కాఫీ ఇన్ ద ట్రిప్.
బెస్ట్ కాఫీ. కెమెరా ముందు ఒకలాగా, కెమెరా లేకుండా ఒకలాగా. ఎవరు మన గ్రూప్ లో? వాట్
ఇంగ్లీష్ వస్తుంది చూసినా కెమెరా
కెమెరా ముందు ఒకలాగా, కెమెరా లేకుండా ఒకలాగా.
నీ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ వేరే ఉంది అందుకు. ఫ్యామిలీ యాప్ తో ఒకలాగా లేకుండా ఒకలాగా ఉంటారు నువ్వు అట్లనే మళ్ళీ.
After the Bakel Fort visit, we had some nice lunch. All of us basically had a big power nap.
Power nap is small.
Big nap.
23 minutes.
Big nap.
In your language, we had 2 power naps.
But the view here is pretty nice here. What about kayaking? Did you find out?
Let's finish our coffee and we'll go there.
So hopefully if we can kayak here, I think that would be amazing.
సముద్రంలో పోతాం. బ్యాక్ వాటర్ అన్నాను నాన్న.
So these are some of the activities here at this resort. There is archery, cricket.
ఇంకోటి
There's kayaking, but it's quite busy. You need to call in advance actually, and there's a 15-20 minute wait for that.
A few moments later.
Aga wrong throw. Left ke lali. Right. Maad baag kashtapadtunade. Come on boy. Come on. Push it. Kotakra. Enjoying kayaking? Yo bro. Fun no? Hey, how's the other boat doing?
పవర్ బోట్ రావే.
అందుకే రివర్స్ లో వెళ్తున్నారా? That's the resort and that's the beach. We missed the sunset, but this was fun too.
So Joe, hey guys, we had wonderful dinner and we got a decent discount for the dinner as well.
Oh, ఎంత డిస్కౌంట్ చెప్పు.
5,000 వచ్చిందండి.
అంటే
on our way back, Charan's AirPods fell twice.
this can be repaired, not his rim.
Too bad. Anyways guys, the checkout bill is
Hey,
here.
what try? You're so boring. No energy, nothing. Smile bro, smile.
The checkout bill is here, and
90,000.
after looking at the bill, I don't want to say the amount. My face became Udas, and people can start calling me Pankaj Udas from now.
Please, we are disturbing the quality of the vlog. No, bro. మావాడు ఫుడ్ అండ్ ఆల్సో బిల్ టైమ్ లో నోరు ఇలా రోల్ అవుద్ది. కిషోర్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో హియర్. కిషోర్ యు ఎంజాయ్డ్ ఫుడ్? ఎండింగ్ నీతోనే అవుతుందిరా ప్రతి వీడియోలో, నీకోసమే. సో దట్
హ్యాపీ ఎండింగ్ అంటారు రే.
హ్యాపీ ఎండింగ్ వద్దురా నాకు. అండ్ నీ లాస్ట్ లో పెట్టేది ఎందుకంటే నువ్వు లాస్ట్ వరకు నా వీడియోస్ చూస్తావు కాబట్టి. He curiously watches my videos only to see himself. Such selfish fellow. Just to watch yourself.
Yeah.
Watch me. That's what he
And you don't watch us or other content?
No. ఇప్పుడు వారి గురించి నీ ఛానల్ చెప్పచ్చా?
బీభత్సంగా పిచ్చి పిచ్చిగా.
So as usual, we are going to the tram showroom. Then we'll go to the.
Hey, let me get into the car and talk.
Charan got his EV. అరే చరణ్ రేంజ్ ఉందా? ఎవ్రీ వీడియో ఇదొక జోక్ ఉంటుంది. అయిపోయింది.
ఇంటిమిడేట్ చేస్తున్నావు వెనకాల టైగర్ లాగా.
ఏడిపిస్తే ఇట్లా బ్లాక్ మెయిల్ చేయకూడదు.
black mail యారా చూస్తున్నా చెప్పు.
ఇంకా చాలు. కట్.
He can't perform in depression.
So enjoyed your stay here. Any words for Prana?
I think overall it was like slightly disappointing because we heard so much about Taj Bakel. Manu's been here and Pranav and Meghna were here too. I think like pre-COVID lockdown, it must have been an amazing experience here. After COVID, I feel like they're still understaffed. The number of guests that they have now, they just can't keep up with them. They're not able to maintain the property and give everybody the service. Disappointing.
It's a nice, beautiful facility actually. One of the best resort, private beach.
private backwaters.
And the activities were decent. Anyway, so we're heading to Bangalore tomorrow. Trip's done. Almost done.
Almost home stretch.
Home stretch, but there's the
Tomorrow we
boring.
start back home, so pretty much the trip is
Yeah.
done with tonight.
And tomorrow till maybe Coorg, the route's gonna be.
Wants to fall asleep. It's like 12:25.
Hey, nice wallpaper, ma.
Thanks,
Yesterday's shot, huh?
Yeah.
Watch his channel. You get nice, interesting posts actually. I think overall the trip has been okay.
Overall
Chikmagalur.
is good. 7 out of 10.
Chikmagalur would have been better if there was clear weather too. Unfortunately,
We laughed a lot in the trip, so
Yeah.
in that sense, it's good.
especially my tube story though. It was epic.
చాలా జరిగినాయి right trip లో.
We tried to capture most of it, but hope you guys got good entertainment with this trip, guys. Anyway, chalo guys, that's it for today's video. In case you're watching this in the night time, have a good night, take care, and see you in the next one. The final stretch to home. Chalo, bye bye.
మీరు కెమెరా రికార్డింగ్ ఆన్ ఉన్నట్టుంది వాడిది వాడు మన మాటలు ఏం మాట్లాడుకుంటాం అని పెట్టుంటాడు సోషల్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ అరే ఇచ్చారా చూస్తున్నాం అరే అన్నీ తెలిసినా మాకు అరే
Lovely backwaters and coffee and tea. Was your coffee?
आपका ड्रिंक थैंक यू
ఏమండి ఆడికి ఎలా కనిపించారు మీరు
వాడు ఆత్మారా
अरे कलदल तीरा.
Take the run.